Want to do my hair now?
Yeah. Bless you.
I haven't used this Patrick Start.
I
love a good brow highlight. That I can do. Wait.
I use this color here as my transition shade. Excuse me. And I'm going to be using the color, I forget what this color is called actually. I think it's called Dirty Mars. Excuse me. I'm just going to use that onto my outer corner here. And I'm using the Morphe M330 brush. If the attitudes can go 2018, like let's have manners. So yeah, I've just been kind of vibing out with myself, vibing out with my friends.
still feel like I've got this mask on my face, so I'm going to quickly go... I'm quickly going to go and wash my face and then I'll be back. So first, I have my hoodie on so I don't spill anything on my dress, but I'm going in with my Prima Armani Glow On Balm.